telling about the relationship of skin lesion with the severity of the disease. Now we'll start our session of panel discussion for the derm room MDT session, for which our panelists for the discussion are Professor Dr. Tariq Rashid. He is the head of Department of Rheumatology at Rheumatic Medical College. I request him to please come on the stage. Sir, please come on the stage. And now then Dr. Sana Yunus, she is Assistant Professor and Head of Rheumatology at Southport Medical College. Please ma'am come on the stage. From the rheumatology side, Professor and Head of Department Central Park Medical College and Consultant Rheumatologist at National Hospital Medical Center. Please sir come on the stage. Dr. Ami Said, Consultant Rheumatologist at Amar Medical Complex and Chitai Medical Center. Dr. Mason Afzal, Assistant Professor and Head of Rheumatology, Al Medical College. Please. Now we start our panel discussion. We have few points to discuss. Firstly, I request if anyone has any questions with our panelists regarding this presentation or any other dermatological queries that you might have. These are few points that we pointed out that we want you to have a look at comment on this. I would like to start. Actually, I want to ask you from the dermatologist that we are usually concerned. We see sarcoid as a disease that presents with acute sarcoid, with joint pains, erythema and bilateral myelin lymphadenopathy. But in my practice and in our fellows' practice, we have seen that there are several skin manifestations not associated with joint pain and other symptoms, but the dermatologist labels them as sarcoid. So I would like to ask both of you that in your opinion, what are those manifestations and how can we develop a clinical acumen of how to go about those and think in our mind that it can be